50 Brangus and 12 super black Baldies. Four-inch rain is playing last night. 4-inch rain. Has been 4-inch rain a couple years straight. Good count all OCD shots. Oh, bank shots. She's the only chocolate bracelet in the group. And the rest be Brangus or black Baldies. Good ear, good nail, huh? Yeah. Recently got them all processed, all dewormed, all shots of current. Calf and vaccinated. You see in their ear. There's 62 of them, 50 are the Brangus, and 12 Baldies and 1 chocolate. Is that part of 12? The chocolate?
No, she ain't part of it.
She ain't part of it.
No.